No way.
I look like a big.
Your freaking shit looks so huge. Can you stop? Oh my god, stop!
You ready, John? You don't want to do it, do you? You don't have to.
Man, I don't like being on film.
No?
No.
Okay.
I'll
Alright,
be
we'll
behind the scenes.
I understand.
Thank you.
We just got a whole bunch of people, so.
Jackie, did you get your balls
I
put
look
away?
like a damn monkey.
Are you driving the van?
Yeah,
I look like somebody
Tim
from
drives
Planet of
today.
the Apes.
I put them all away.
Put all your balls away?
There's a Jackie. Did you want to be a part of our documentary? We're doing a little documentary on
Do a
compassion.
different one.
It's going to show what the Jane Pickens